in this video, I just want to demonstrate the basic ocho teros. So you start from the anatomical position, from where both feet are together, and we have the normal grip of the weapon, and we will be moving in a 45-degree angle position from where we are moving away from an attack, or we are entering the attacking range of an opponent. So in this case, we want to perform from the attacking position a strike to the left collarbone, cerrada position. So we have what we call the abierta and the cerrada position. So from here, we move our right leg in front, and we're reaching in a largo position. We're aiming for the left collarbone. And here, we position in a closed or cerrada position. We move our left leg and we try to target the right collarbone. Okay? And the next striking technique, we are targeting the left knee. Now, going back to the cerrada position, we are targeting the right knee. Then we move back to the center. Then we position for stabbing. So here, I'm moving forward and I'm stabbing the solar plexus. Okay, from there, I'm positioning my weapon hand near my shoulder, and I'm stabbing the right carotid of the opponent. Okay, and then position, going to be stabbing the left carotid of my opponent. Then from the center, I'm targeting the middle of the head. Okay? Again, the center, middle of the head. But that's the full blow. That can lead to the full blow. But for now, we're doing controlled strike. We're targeting the center of the head. So one more time, we have 1, tero 1, tero 2, tero 3, tero 4, tero 5, tero 6, tero 7, and tero 8. So that's what we call ocho teros, or 8 striking target points.